Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your quality control testing business. So if you offer testing services, then managing all the test bookings can be very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate the test bookings all automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for quality control testing business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. And to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I am going to send a general message like, "Hello." And immediately our chatbot responds with, "Welcome to Precision Lab Testing Services. We help ensure your materials and products meet top quality standards. What would you like to do today?" And it has given us 3 options to choose from. So here I'm going to select the first one that says book a test. And it responds me with, "Let's schedule your test. Please share your product type." So here I'm going to enter my product type. So I'm going to respond with this message. "Please share preferred test date." So here I'm going to send this date. And the chatbot responds with, "Thank you for your response. Our team will confirm your booking shortly." And now I'm going to select the second option that says check test. And the chatbot responds me with, "Check test status. Please click the link below to test status using the ticket ID." And it has provided us a link from which we can check status of our test report. Lastly, I'm going to choose this test result option. And it responds me with, "Download your test report. The test report for test ID, this given number are ready. Download your report PDF with the help of this given link." So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for quality control testing business. To create this chatbot, we have to visit the Pabbly Chatflow's website. And to do that, we have to open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on Sign In. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now. And it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to rename it to WhatsApp Chatbot for Quality Control Testing Business. Now it is more relevant. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start box under which there is an option to enter keywords. Here we enter some general keywords which help us to activate the chatbot. However, there is another option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which helps us to activate the chatbot with any keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. We can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message. And for that, I'm going to access the text button. And here I'm going to add a general welcome message like this. Welcome to Precision Lab Testing Services. We help ensure your materials and products meet top quality standards. What would you like to do today? And with the help of this add button option, I'm going to add some quick reply options. Book a test, as well as check test. And lastly, I'm going to add an option of test results. Once we are done generating our first message, we will generate a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with book a test. And for that, I'm going to access the action type notes. And then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. And here I'm going to take details of the user. Like this. Let's schedule your test. Please share product type. And here you can see we have an option to add contact custom field. So here I'm going to choose name, and as format I'm going to select text. And here we have an option to give number of attempts and enter validation message. I'm going to leave this validation message empty, and if you want you can give multiple attempts to the user. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can check out the link in the description box. Now we are going to link this question box to the corresponding quick reply option. Then I'm going to ask another question, and again I'm going to access the question box and I'm going to place it here. And here I'm going to ask my next question. Please share your preferred test date. And in the contact custom field, I'm going to select time, and as format I'm going to select any. And then I'm going to link it to the corresponding question box. Next, I'm going to send a confirmation message, and for that I'm going to access text button. And here I'm going to add, thank you for your response. Our team will confirm your booking shortly. Once we are done with our first quick reply response, we can move on to the second one, which is check test. And for that, I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add. Our message will look like this. Check test status. Please click the link below to test status using the ticket ID. And you can do that with the help of this given link. Lastly, I'm going to generate a response for test results. So I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add. Our message will look like this. Download your test report. Results for test ID, this given number, are ready. Download report PDF with the help of the link given below. So this is how we create WhatsApp chatbot for quality control testing business. We have created this chatbot easily with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by accessing all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to create the same, you can do that by following the same procedure as I have shown in this video. Once you are done creating your flow, you can save it. And once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.